tell me, officer, please, can you tell me what I'm under arrest for? Please, please. Oh, please.
Get out.
The car! Stay back!
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out. Sir! Sir!
91B75, we need HFD at Antoine.
Sir! Get by the end of the pipe! Oh my God, no!
I already did!
In the world of law enforcement, every second counts, and every mistake can change a life forever. From high-speed chases to shocking crashes, dashcams capture moments that no one ever expects to see. They reveal bravery, chaos, and sometimes heartbreaking tragedy. These are not movie scenes, they're real events caught on camera. On the night of September 16, 2022, officers from Fort Lupton and Platteville arrested a suspect involved in a road rage incident in Weld County, Colorado. The person had reportedly threatened another driver with a gun on Highway 85. As the officers caught the suspect and began to make the arrest, they had no idea that their next action would put her in serious danger. Meanwhile, the suspect seemed confused and unaware about the reason for her arrest. As the officers began searching the suspect's car for the firearm, they left her handcuffed in the back seat of another patrol truck. None of them realized that their routine stop was about to turn into a nightmare. Moments earlier, the suspect had taken a long time to pull over. But now, something far worse was about to happen. Just then, danger came rushing toward them, and by the time they realized what was happening, it was too late. The patrol car was struck by a train. "Disaster! Medical emergency!" officers shouted. The suspect had been inside the vehicle that was hit. The woman was later identified as Yoreni Rios Gonzalez, and miraculously, she survived.
Stay back! Move your car! Stay back!
Patrol car was just hit by a train. Dispatch 12346, get us medical emergency. The suspect was in the vehicle that was hit by the train.
Watch the fence.
Reports revealed that Yoreni lost several teeth, suffered a broken arm, multiple fractured ribs, and a traumatic brain injury. After an investigation, 2 officers were fired from their departments. Officer Jordan Steinke was found guilty of reckless endangerment and third-degree assault. On June 20, 2023, Colorado State Patrol troopers were called to help Otto County deputies with a dangerous car chase on a highway in Otto County.
Charlie 3, get up here in TBI if you can. I'll talk to your
Favor. Alright, 379, slowed down.
The suspect's vehicle was connected to a shots fired report and had also been involved in several crashes. Officers said the driver even tried to cause head-on collisions with other cars on the road. After a tense pursuit, officers managed to stop the vehicle using a tactical vehicle intervention maneuver.
Get your hands up! Hands up! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! You got him?
The suspect got out and acted confused, pretending not to know what was going on. But the officers weren't convinced. They detained him and placed him in the back of a patrol car while they checked his vehicle and discussed what to do next. But while the officers were focused on the scene, the suspect was quietly planning something dangerous from inside the patrol unit. Moments later, he took off in the patrol car, speeding away with the emergency lights still flashing. Officers immediately rushed to come up with a plan to stop him before things got worse. They quickly informed nearby units and set up stop sticks on the road. Even though the suspect heard the officers' plan over the radio, the stop sticks still worked, at least partly. The tires were damaged, but the man kept driving recklessly. The chase ended only when the stolen patrol car crashed into a semi-truck. The suspect was later identified as 31-year-old Anthony Alfonso Sanchez III. He was taken to a nearby hospital, where he died from his injuries caused by the crash. Thankfully, the truck driver was not hurt in the collision. The trooper, whose patrol car was stolen, was placed on administrative leave after the incident, but was later cleared to return to duty.
Fella, he just stole the patrol car.
Switch, Candy.
On September 14, 2022, at around 1 a.m., Deputy Shane Iverson pulled over a vehicle for a traffic violation. As the suspect tried to explain himself, the deputy began to search him, not realizing that within seconds, the situation would turn violent.
I don't have anything on me, officer.
Hand behind your back.
Officer, I don't have anything on me.
Behind your back.
Officer, why are you? What? Can you just tell me, officer? Please, can you tell me what I'm under arrest for? Please, please. Oh, please.
Get out.
The suspect ran, but barely made it 20 steps before collapsing to the ground. Shocked by the sudden turn of events, the deputy quickly called for backup and medical help. Authorities later identified the suspect as 29-year-old Timothy Michael Randall, who died at the scene after being shot by the officer. According to officials, Randall had tried to hide contraband in his waistband and made sudden movements toward that area. The Rust County attorney said that the deputy believed Randall was reaching for a gun that might have been hidden down the front of his pants. However, it was later revealed that the item was actually a pipe inside an eyeglasses case. Although Deputy Iverson was not criminally charged in connection with the shooting, Randall's family filed a federal lawsuit against him in October 2023, claiming wrongful death and civil rights violations. The case is still ongoing. On the evening of September 19, 2024, two Houston police officers were taking a suspect they had arrested to the Harris County Joint Processing Center in a marked patrol car. Just moments later, the night took a sudden and tragic turn. The officer's patrol car had just hit a 41-year-old woman who was standing in the road with her 3 children near the center turn lane. Shocked by what happened, the officers immediately got out of the car to help her. As emotions ran high, the officers did everything they could to save the woman, while her terrified children stayed close by. The woman was taken to Ben Taub General Hospital, where she was later pronounced dead.
Watch out. Hey, can you breathe? Can you breathe? Hey, watch out. Watch out. Sir.
91B75, we need HFD at Antoine.
Sir, get Carly into the right. Oh my God, no.
I already did.
CPR in progress. My mom.
APR north of Pinemont.
Her 3 children who witnessed the crash were not physically hurt. According to the Houston Police Department's early investigation, 41-year-old Desire Poole may have failed to yield the right-of-way, and speeding did not seem to be a factor. Officer Shelby Kennedy, who was driving, was placed on administrative duty as both Internal Affairs and the Vehicular Crimes Division began their investigations. Now we end this video here, but make sure these clips remind us that behind every flashing light and siren, real lives hang in the balance. One split-second decision can mean the difference between life and death. Which of these moments shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share for more content. Thanks for watching.